Hi guys, today we demonstrate resetting the oil maintenance light. Let's start. When the instrument oil maintenance light is lit, it is a reminder to the owner to the service point for oil replacement. When replacing the oil, the technician is to do the oil maintenance light to reset. If not reset, the reminder warning is to continue to light up. The following oil maintenance light reset process. Insert B200 connector. Hoop in the software. Click on maintenance functions, click on oil, wait for app to connect with B200 via Bluetooth, select your car model, prompt switch on the ignition, click OK. Click on auto reset, click on oil reset iron maintenance, click on adapting vehicle to fixed interval, click on 5,000 km 180 days without that, click OK. The oil reset is complete.